Hello everybody, my name is GeGe, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a quick express Pilates just to get everything fired up. Maybe this is a good finisher for a workout, or maybe you just want something short and sharp, ready to get going for your day. Maybe you don't have much time at all, or you just want to squeeze something in. I'm here for all of it, so let's get started. Let's go straight onto all fours. So, hands and knees position. Hands are underneath the shoulder points. Knees are underneath the hip points. Take an inhale for me. And as you exhale, snap your navel towards your spine and make a shh sound out of your mouth. Shh. There you go. So we're engaging through the core. Inhale. Exhale, engage through the core. Good. Give me one more just like that. Very nice. This time you're going to inhale in your neutral spine position. Exhale, round through the spine. Thinking like a cat pose in yoga. Inhale back to a neutral position. So we're not going to find the reverse. We're not going to find cow. And then back to your cat. Good. Come back to center. We're going to find a thread needle here. So plant the left palm down, reach the right arm all the way to the sky, take an inhale. And as you exhale, we're going to thread that right arm underneath the left one, but you're just going to hover. Find a twist. Inhale to lift it up. Exhale, hover under. Last one. Inhale. And exhale, hover. And just hover here for 3, for 2, for 1. Gorgeous. Lift that arm all the way back up and then reach it forward as if you're going to shake somebody's hand. Take an inhale here. Exhale, start to pull like a lat pull down your right elbow towards your right hip. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, pull. Let's make it a combination. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, pull. Straighten that hand back behind you. So we're finding like a tricep. Kick back here. And then bend the elbow. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, pull. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Give me one more. Beautiful. Extend this arm out. Extend the left leg out. We're going to lift and lower that left leg. You have the option to bring the right fingers down at any time. We're going to lift and lower. Exhale to lift. Inhale to lower. Good. 6, 5. Long through the back of the neck. 4, 3. Good. 2. And 1. Nice job bringing the right fingertips down. We're just going to swap that over. So plant the right palm down, reach the left arm all the way to the sky. Exhale, hover, thread the needle. And inhale through the nose. And exhale with that sh sound. Good. One more, and then we take that hold. And hold it under for 3. For 2, for 1. Gorgeous. Reach that left arm all the way back up and then forward as if you're going to shake somebody's hand. Inhale, exhale, pull. Imagine you were sliding that arm along like a glass table. So you want to keep it at the same height throughout this movement. Now let's find the combo. Inhale, exhale, inhale to extend back. And exhale, bend, and keep that going. You've got 3 more rounds of this. One more. Reach it forward. And then start to extend that right leg back. Here we go. Try and keep your hips as still as possible, both hips facing downwards. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, bringing the right knee down, the left hand down. Let's keep on these all fours. You're going to tuck the toes under. We're going to take some knee hovers. So inhale, exhale, hover the knees just an inch or so above the ground. Inhale to tap them down and exhale to hover. Good. Give me 4 more of those. We tap and we lift. 3 more. 3. Slow and controlled. 2. And 1. Now keep it lifted. We're going to hold here. We're going to take shoulder taps. You tap your left shoulder and your right shoulder. And the whole time, we're trying to keep the body as still as we possibly can. Good. So a little bit of swaying is going to happen, but we're going to try and counteract it as much as possible. Give me 1 more each shoulder. Good. And from here, sit back. So it's almost as if you were going into like a spring forward and then come forward into a plank pose. Sit back and then glide forward into your plank pose. Now, option to do this with the knees down. Keep going for those that are going with the knees up. So you go child's pose to a knees down plank. Good. Give me 4 more here. 4. Squeeze that bum under every time you reach your plank. And 2. And 1. Good. Holding in your plank here, we're going to lift the right toes. Put them down. Lift the left toes. And down. So just alternating leg lifts. Good. Give me 2 more each side. 4. And 3. And 2. I'm shaking. And 1. Good. Just holding your plank for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming into a wide-legged child's pose, bringing the big toes to touch, knees as wide as the mat, just sinking the chest forward and stretch out those arms. Just take a big deep breath in and all the way out. Good job, everybody. Come back onto all fours. We're going to tuck the toes under again, and this time we're going to send it high and back into a downward facing dog. Now, if you've done my classes before, you might know what's coming here. So take an inhale in your downward facing dog, nice and high up onto the toes, actually. Lift those heels. Exhale, look forward. We're coming down into that bear position. Yeah. Inhale, lift the hips high. And exhale, bear position. I can't explain why I love this exercise so much. I think it's the combination of stretch and strength. Good. We got 3 more here. 3. And up. Don't forget to breathe. 2. And up. And 1. And up. Good. And just enjoying this stretch. For 1 breath in. And 1 breath out. Gorgeous. Bring the knees down to the mat. We're going to go into a little bit of oblique work here. So you're going to come first onto your right side. And we're going to come into some mermaid side lifts. So 2 options here. I prefer to do this on my hand, but if you have wrist issues, of course, please bring it down to a forearm. Now, with the mermaid side bend, you can either have the knees together, like so, and we're simply going to take it up and over, so you'll be creating a big old rainbow shape with that upper body. If you want a little bit more, I totally understand. You're going to place the left foot on the ground, the right foot underneath, and you're going to push through your legs. So you're going to push up and over and back down, bending the knees to come down, like so. So you've got your 2 options there. If you really want to push yourself, and this isn't me today, I will admit, you're going to have the legs already stacked, and you will come up and down, and up and down. So actually there's 3 versions of the exercise. So let's do this. We're going to come into the rainbow side bend. Choose your poison. You're going to inhale at the bottom, extend the arm, and exhale, push up and over, creating a rainbow shape.
Inhale, lower, and hover at the bottom if you can, whichever version you're doing. Exhale, up. Gorgeous. Give me 4 more. 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. Now keep the hips nice and high. We're going to lift a little bit, lower a little bit. Lift and lower some pulses. 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's not over. You're going to take that hand to face up towards the sky. Inhale to lift. Exhale to wrap under. So that top arm is going to come underneath the body and then reach back up. Yeah, give me 3 more. 3. And up. And 2. And up. Last 1. And up. We hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Just taking a nice little side body stretch. Taking the right arm up and over. Inhale here. And exhale, bring it down. Gorgeous. Straight to the other side before we can even think about it. So onto your left side. Forearm or hand, knee stacked. Coming into that position where you can push away from the ground with your right foot on top this time. Your left foot underneath. Or ready stacked if you're feeling ultra spicy today. I'm feeling somewhere in the middle. Here we go. Extending that right arm. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way up. Inhale down, maybe a hover, and exhale up. Give me 4 more. 4. And 3. Leaving space between the shoulders and the ears, and 2. Whoop. Last 1. And we hold it up there. We pulse for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We hold it there. We take the fingertips up towards the sky. We inhale, we exhale, we wrap underneath. And this can be done in all 3 versions. It's such a versatile exercise, this one. And it works the legs, the obliques, the shoulders. Nice, give me 2 more. Last 1. Hold it up for 4, 3, 2, 1. Gorgeous. Bring it down. Take a big old side body stretch over the other way. Stretch out those obliques. Take an inhale here. And an exhale. Good. Okay. And let's finish off on our bums. Got a full 360 workout going on here. Reach the arms all the way forward. Option to have a Pilates ball behind your back. Full disclosure, mine isn't blown up, so I won't be doing that. Inhale, lift the spine, and exhale, C-curve the spine. Imagine somebody's punched you in the stomach. You're going to lean back. Inhale up. Exhale, C-curve. Keep that going. You got 4. And 3. And 2. Last 1. Good. Lean it back and hold here. Can you go back a little bit further? Can you take your right arm up? Bring it down. Left arm up. Bring it down. Right, down, and left. Down. 4 more. 4. And 3. Whew. And 2. Good. And 1. Good. Keep it lean back, bringing your hands into a little gun shape. Bang, bang. You're going to lean over. You're going to cross over towards the left. And center. Give me an exhale every time you twist. And center. And center. And center. I'm going to give you a progression here, lifting same leg as the side that you're twisting to. Lift and center. Twist and lift, center. Twist and lift, center. 4 more, whichever version you're doing. And 3. And 2. Last 1. We're of course going to pulse it back for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come all the way up. Collapse forward, relax forward, bringing yourself down onto your belly. Give yourself a little abdominal stretch, lifting up through the chest. Take a deep breath in. And exhale all the way down. Good. Bringing the forehead on top of the hand, stacked one on top of the other, and just release your hips, swaying in from side to side. Take a deep breath in. And clearing breath out. And that's it for today. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this quick Express Pilates blast, and I'll see you for the next one.